Welcome to Salty Dog Trash, your solution to hassle-free waste management in Alexandria, Indiana. We specialize in efficient and reliable dumpster rentals that keep your spaces clean and clutter-free. From residential cleanouts to construction sites, our range of dumpsters caters to various needs, ensuring a seamless waste disposal experience. At Salty Dog Trash, we understand that one size doesn't fit all. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to suit projects of any scale, ensuring you only pay for the space you need. We prioritize reliability. Our team ensures timely delivery and pickup, allowing you to focus on your project without worrying about waste buildup. Salty Dog Trash is where reliability meets excellence in waste management. We are not just about dumpsters, it's about a cleaner, more organized community. Ready to simplify your waste management? Dial us at 317-660-5099 or check our website at www.saltydogtrash.com. Dumpster Rental Alexandria IN, for hassle-free dumpster rentals. Salty Dog Trash is your partner in clean and efficient waste management. Let us take care of your waste disposal needs so you can focus on what matters most.